Hi, good morning to all. This is M. Koteeswaran, Associate Professor, Department of Management Studies, M. Kumarasamy College of Engineering, Karur. Let me discuss BCG matrix, Boston Consulting Group matrix. It is also known as growth share matrix, product portfolio, or it is also known as Boston matrix or portfolio diagram. Boston Consulting Group matrix. The BCG matrix was created by Mr. Bruce D. Henderson, founder Boston Consulting Group in the year 1970. During 1970 and 1980s, more than half of Fortune 500 companies are using BCG matrix. Still, 27% of Fortune 500 companies are using BCG matrix. Now, the purpose of creation of this BCG matrix is to do investment decisions resource allocation, manage different business portfolio, develop product line, avoid business failure, to understand the competitive position in the market. For the above said all the purpose, BCG matrix was created by Mr. Bruce D. Henderson. The investment decision, the conglomerate group of companies are managing many business portfolios to do investment, where to invest, how to invest, which business is a healthy business, which business is unhealthy business. So based upon the market growth rate and relative market share, whether investment is required for the particular business. So to take right investment decision, BCG matrix helping to the business enterprises. Now resource allocation play a vital role for development of the business. The right resource allocation will lead to the growth of the business. Suppose if we do wrong resource allocation, it may lead to the failure of the business. So resource allocation is the most important factor for any business organization growth. So organization based on the BCG matrix, the business enterprises need to allocate the resources on right time for the right purpose. Then manage business portfolio. Let me take example of Tata Group of companies. The Tata Group of companies, close to 100 business they are managing under one corporate group. If they want to manage all the business under the one corporate group, they need to use the BCG matrix to understand about the each and every business present condition and what about the future prediction. Based upon that only they need to run their business. So BCG matrix helping to the conglomerate business or any single business having the many product line to manage their business portfolio or to develop the many product line. BCG matrix helping to the corporate. Now to avoid business failure, the BCG matrix helping to the all the business organization to avoid business failure and how to increase the market share and how to increase the market growth rate. If the market share and market growth rate is high and automatically organization will grow, then based upon the BCG matrix, organization take some right decision to avoid the business from the failure. The next one is competitive position in the market. So based upon the BCG matrix, organization can understand the competitive level in the market and according to that they can frame the suitable strategy to win the competition and gain competitive advantage in the market. So BCG matrix helping to the organization to frame the suitable strategy based upon the competitive position in the market. Let me discuss what is BCG matrix. The Boston Consulting Group matrix, BCG matrix, classified into 4 categories. The BCG matrix classified into 4 categories. The first one is question mark. The second one is star, and third one is cash cow, and fourth one is dog. Now, each and every category there are SBUs are plotted. Now, the entire matrix is measured by 2 components. One is relative market share, that is 1x, 2x, 4x, 0.5x, then 0.25x. Then this is market growth rate. Vertical axis represent market growth rate. Also cash usage. Then relative market share, cash generation. And this is 0% start, 10% and 20% like this. Now we will discuss how to calculate relative market share and market growth rate, because based upon the market growth rate and relative market share only we can understand where businesses fall under the matrix and what is the level of this matrix. So according to that we can frame the suitable strategy. Now let me discuss about relative market share. What is the relative market share? How do we calculate relative market share? Based upon the BCG matrix. Now relative market share, also called competitive position. Competitive position. Now, how do we calculate relative market share of the firm? Here, formula to calculate relative market share: your firm market share or revenues divided by largest competitor firm market share, revenues. Now for example, your firm market share 20%, your largest competitor firm market share 40%. Now the relative market share is 0.5 times, 0.5 times than your largest competitor market share in the market. And we can do one thing. Suppose if your firm is a market leader, your firm is your market leader, then your firm's market share 30% based on this formula, then your largest competitor's market share 20%, now 1.5 times. Your company relative market share is 1.5 times higher than the largest competitor market share in the market. This is a way to calculate relative market share in the market. Then we will see how to calculate market growth rate based upon the BCG matrix. The market growth rate also is called industry attractiveness. It is also important for any business organization to develop their business. Market growth rate help to business to grow faster. Now here market growth rate. Or industry attractiveness. Now there is a formula again to calculate market growth rate. Now total market unit sales volume in the current year minus total market unit sales volume in the previous year divided by total market unit sales volume in the previous year. Into 100. Now we will see the example. Suppose total market unit sales volume in the current year 11 million. Now the total market sales volume in the previous year 10 million divided by total unit sales volume in the previous year 10 million into 100. Now 10%. The market growth year on year, it is 10%. Based upon this formula we can calculate market growth rate. So now we know very well how to calculate relative market share and market growth rate. These two components are helping to understand the BCG matrix and where each and every business fall into the matrix and where each and every product line fall in this matrix. According to that, the organization can frame the suitable strategy to win the competition in the market, to gain market share, to gain market growth rate and to generate more profit in the market. So now we will go in depth about this BCG matrix. Each and every quadrants we will discuss one by one. Let me see first here. This BCG matrix, there are first category is question mark. Now we will discuss about question mark. Now question mark, the condition is here, for example, we have to do it high, we can do like here, it is okay, high, low and high, low. Now what do we want to do it? Here question mark, here relative market share is low, market growth rate is high. So market growth rate is high, market growth rate high and relative market share is low in the question mark category. So now an organization relative market share is low and market growth rate is high, so the business fall under the question mark. Now what they want to do is, in this level of business they need to invest more to build market share. So market share is important. The question mark is very dangerous level for any organization to increase the market share, to capture the store level and to become the cash cow level. So that is important. For product life cycle, question mark level is introduction stage. So the new business organization or new product in the market can fall under the question mark level. So now the question mark level is the most important level in the BCG matrix. So organization want to use the build strategy to enhance this performance in the in the organization in the market level. So organization need to work out to use the question mark. And we have seen question mark level of business. The second level is store level business. We will discuss about the store level business. The store level business, the second one is store level. It is relative market share is high, then market growth rate also is high in the store level business. So whichever business is fall under in the store level, the business market share also is high, market growth rate also is high. So it's a dominant level business. The business are bright, it's store level. They are the market leader. So here product life cycle we are utilizing the growth level strategy. So the store level, again organization need to invest more to retain the store level, to enhance the market share, to maintain the market share still further. So organization need to work out in the store level business. So until otherwise the store level slowly it lose to the, they may not use the right strategy in the store level, hold strategy, that business may move to the question mark level, then from the question mark level the business may come to the dog level. So business may get failure. So organization need to use hold strategy to maintain the store level always. The next one is cash cow level, third level. Cash cow. This cash cow level, see relative market share is high and market growth rate is low. So this is the cash cow level business. In the cash cow level business, the relative market share is low and market growth rate is the relative market share is high and market growth rate is low. So store level is called a milky level business. So store level organization can use harvest strategy. It is the mature level business in the product life cycle. So whichever the business fall under the sorry na marubadi tapas அது மட்டும் delete பண்ணிடுங்க இந்த cash cow level மட்டும். Let me discuss the third level in the BCG matrix, cash cow level. Cash cow. The cash cow relative market share is high and market growth rate is low. So now, which means the market share is high, cash generation is more in the cash cow level and cash usage is less in the cash cow level. So the further investment, further expenses is very less in the cash cow level. So organization can use harvest strategy, it's a milky strategy. So to gain more cash inflow will come in the cash cow business. So whichever the business fall under the cash cow, it's all mature level business in the product life cycles. So no need of investing more money to build further market share. So automatically we have the high level of market share and market growth rate also is measured. So then organization is very good condition in the cash cow level. Suppose if the organization is not maintaining market share high, again same in the cash cow level, it may lead to the dog level business. Then fourth one we will discuss dog level business. The final stage of the business is dog level business. So in dog level business, relative market share is low, and market growth rate also is low. So this is the last stage of the business. In product life cycle, it is the declining stage of the business. So organization either need to sell their business or to wind up the business. They need to use diverse strategy in the dog level. So dog level business is very dangerous business. It lead to the failure of the organization. So organization need to take care of the dog level business. Now we will see some example in the matrix, current example, star level, question mark level, cash cow level and dog level. Now the star level business we will see HP printer. HP printer or star level business, their market shares also high, market growth rate also high, they doing good in the market, they are the market leader. Now the question mark level Chevrolet Volt, this is also this is the question mark level business. So relative market share is less and market growth rate is high, so they are in the question mark level. Now cash cow level, Nirma washing powder, Maruti 800 and Promise toothpaste, they all fall under the cash cow level. Now from the cash cow it may lead to the dog level, Maruti 800. Now the Maruti 800 small car segment, the Maruti Suzuki company, they re-alter in Maruti Alto instead of Maruti 800. From the Maruti 800 started with the star level and moved to the cash cow level, then lead to the dog level. So this is the cash cow level example. Now here we will discuss about the dog level business. See IBM personal computers. The IBM personal computer they sold to China based Lenovo. So that lead to the dog level business. So this is an example for dog level business. Now these all theoretical application what we discussed about BCG matrix, how Indian conglomerate business and Indian product for the business or Indian business organization for their product line, they are using real time for this BCG, real time example of BCG matrix we will discuss. The first one is product line. Product line we will discuss real time example, real time application, how company is applying this BCG matrix, we will see one example. The product line we have taken into Maruti Suzuki. The Maruti Suzuki company is having many product line. So for where their product line fall under the BCG matrix, let me discuss. The first one is star level business. In the star level business, Swift Desire fall under the star level business, which means the relative market share is high in the Swift Desire and market growth rate also is high for Swift Desire. High, low, here again low. Now again this Swift Desire, then again Gen Estilo, also the two product fall under star level in Maruti Suzuki business. And now question mark level. Now question mark level, Maruti SX4 and Grand Vitara, these four brand or fall under the question mark levels, means relative market share is low and market growth rate is high. Now cash cow level, Alto, and Wagon-R. These two brands of Maruti Suzuki fall under the cash cow level. Alto relative market share is high, Wagon-R relative market share is high, and market growth rate for both brand Alto and Wagon-R is less. Now we will discuss about dog level business of Maruti Suzuki. In Maruti Suzuki, see Versa and Baleno or the dog level business of the Maruti Suzuki. So relative market share and market growth rate is both or less. So this is the product line example of Maruti Suzuki for using BCG matrix. Now the final one we will discuss how business units, the business portfolio, the BCG matrix is helping. To understand about various business portfolio, how BCG matrix is helping for business organization, we will discuss. Now here business portfolio, example we will see Tata Group. There we have seen product line, how single company product line fall under the BCG matrix in each and every quadrant where each and every brands are standing and what is their performance we have discussed, and we discussed about the strategy earlier. Now we will discuss about a group of organization, a conglomerate group, Tata conglomerate group, the India's second largest conglomerate group, Tata Group, how the Tata Group of business fall under the BCG matrix and where the business are standing, what strategies needed to develop the business, we will discuss now. Here again classified into 4 category. One is star, question mark, Castle, dog, then slow, high, then high, low. Here vertical axis market growth rate, and relative market share. Horizontal axis represent relative market share. Now here Tata Group of business, the fall under the BCG matrix. Let me have a look. Star level Tata Steel and again Tata Motors and Indian Hotels and question mark level Tata Teleservices, Voltas, Tata Communication, and Casco level again Tata Consultancy Service is between this. Tata Consultancy Service is Casco, then again Tata Tea, then Tata Power, Tata Chemicals, and dog level Tata Housing. See, the Tata Group of companies having close to 100 companies. So now we have seen few example of Tata Group. Here Tata Steel, Tata Motor, Indian Hotels or fall into the star level business, which means the relative market share and market growth rate both are high. The business is dominant. Now Tata Consulting Service also is in the cash cow level. Tata Tea and Tata Power and Tata Chemicals also in the cash cow level business, means relative market share is high and market growth rate is low. The business is mature business, generating more amount of cash for their group. So whatever the cash generated in the cash cow level, they will allocate to other level also, star level, question mark level, dog level, to develop the other business because of this business. So these business are very important business in the Tata Group. Now next one is question mark. Tata Teleservices, Voltas and Tata Communications are question mark level business. So what Tata Group want to do means to invest more money in this level business to enhance the market share in this level business, so they can avoid the failure of this business. So it's very important for the Tata Group. The next one is dog level business, Tata Housings. It's almost in the less market share and less growth rate. The business is going to the downward condition. So Tata Group want to do some remedial activities to overcome this issue. So this is the real-time example we have seen for business portfolio, one particular conglomerate group, and product line, one single company for various product line, and theoretical aspect we have discussed. Now what I am going to conclude, the BCG matrix is a very important matrix helping to the business organization to analyze their business performance and product line, where each and every business are standing, where product means brands are each and every brand is fall under the matrix. So to know market relative market share and market growth based upon the two components, they can comes to understand about their business, they can comes to understand about their each and every brand. According to that, they can frame the suitable strategy to manage the competition in the market, to gain competitive advantages, to generate more profit. So this is most important for any organization. The prime purpose is to gain more profit in the market, to develop the business further and further. That is the very important aspect for any organization. So BCG matrix is helping for any organization to develop their business. Mr. Bruce D. Henderson told, even after 40 years of inception of the BCG matrix, still most of the companies are using BCG matrix to develop their business. So I am concluding my session. BCG matrix is a very important matrix for any organization to develop their business portfolio, to develop their product portfolio, to achieve the end result. Thank you to all.